So hey guys, this side Mahesh. Today we will learn how to install the Docker on the AWS console. So first we need to create one instance from the AWS. Let's suppose I'm keeping this name as a Docker, and I'm selecting Ubuntu as my Linux system, as my OS system. And here I'm moving ahead as of now, no key value pair. And here I'm allowing all the SSH HTTP traffics and selecting by default one 8 GB GIP storage, and number of instances I'm creating as of now 1. So I'm just creating the launch instance. Till the time it is launching, I have created one document for how to install the Docker. So let's move ahead with the documentations. Okay, now it's started already, so I'm just going through it and just click on the connect to connect launch or instance. And here we need to connect our instance, so it will open the console. So here is the documentation I have make here. What you have to do, first install your EC2 instance that we have already installed and all starting in the phase. And the second thing you can do, the second step, install the Docker by using these scripts I push on the GitHub. You will get that uh, these steps from the GitHub as well. So first I need to sudo apt update. Basically this is the system update which you need to update your console. So clearing this syntax and pasting it, and it will update the latest package of the console. The second thing what you have to do, install some certificates which may be required for the installation of the Docker. Okay, now it's installed, and just playing this and pasting that scripts. Yeah, it's already installed. Now what is the third step we have to do? Add Docker official GPG key. This is some sort of key which you need to install where installing the Docker on your console. So just copy and paste it. Okay, it's done. Now what is the first step? You have to set up your Docker repository, just like I have opened here the Docker hub. This is similar to the GitHub where we are pushing our code. This is for the Docker where we are pushing our code onto the Docker hub. So we are copying this, we are creating one repo for the Docker. Just paste this. Yeah, it's done now. Now what we have to do now, here the main thing comes. You have to just we are following this one only. So just copy both the scripts and paste it over here. First I'm clearing this console. Okay, installing. Okay, till the time it's installing, let's move to the GitHub where is my GitHub repo. Where I have created some of the few projects about the one of the few projects about the Selenium and machine learning projects. AWS I have learning from myself, and I have created one applications or website that link to URL converter. Sorry, URL to video converter. Whatever the URL do you have, like YouTube, Instagram, or Facebook, you can download by using this type of applications or website. I have created all these things over here. You can go through it. So yeah, now done. Now what you have to do, let's suppose as of now you don't have a, you are using as a non root user, non admin user. So you have to follow one more extra step. You have to add that particular user uh, into the main user. Like we have to give the permissions that Docker, that this user should be add in a Docker created group, right? So our Docker has been done. Now let's check the enable our Docker. Okay, done. Now let's check the status of our Docker. So just since, yeah, here it is showing that it is running and it is the enable state, right? And what are the next step? Okay, I'm just pulling one Docker image from Hello World of name Hello World. Basically, Docker Hub is a place where you can push your code, and here the that image we have to capture into a Docker, right? So I'm just capturing this image into our Docker. So I'm running this scripts once. Let's paste, and yeah, it's working. And okay, it's something error is showing. So we don't have any permission. Okay, we need to run. We need to add this user in the Docker created group. This one user, right? What is the username? It's a Ubuntu. Yeah, done. Now let's follow the steps, above the steps. Docker run. Again, it's showing the error. Let's debug this one. Just hold on. Okay, guys. Here's the ChatGPT which have given some solutions. Right. So we have tried this one, but it's no usage. Let's check the permissions and. Okay. Now what is the, you should see something like this. We need to set the permissions. Okay. Yeah. Now permission has been already set up for this user, and it's already newer image. Yeah, it's done. Now just clearing this Docker images. So currently what the Docker we have created or we have installed as a repo, we have just imported this image called hello name. This is the image ID, and 4 weeks ago created, in the sense means there's some changes on the Docker hub 4 weeks ago. That's why the it shows the uh, that data. And what is the size is 10, almost 10 kb. And let's suppose what the containers we have. So yeah, container is 0 because we haven't containerized anything, and the Docker images currently we have is hello world. Let's suppose I want to extract the let's suppose node.js, right? So here, okay, here let's suppose I want to extract the node.js. So what I have to do, just copy this one and paste it here. So just download the node.js from the Docker hub, and just let's see what are the images, number of images we have. So we have almost 2 images. One is node and second one is the hello world. So this is the way how can you install the Docker and pull the images from the Docker hub. So thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions or query, feel free to reach out in the comment sections. Thank you.